All right. In the previous video, we were able to promote the server to a domain controller. So right now, in this video, we're going to create service account. So how do you create service account? Simply click your server manager. You go to your tools, and then you click users and computers, Active Directory users and computers. Let's have this expands. All right, so under this domain, we have to create an organization. You right click on it, you click new, and you have organizational units, and you can say service accounts. Okay, protect container from accidental deletion, and then you click OK. Now we have service account here. Let's create one user. So you right click, come to new user, and then we're good. So first name, let's use SQL admin. SQL admin. Okay, then the username will be SQL admin. So you can see from here that you have SQL admin on the domain. So this is exactly how it's done in other companies. Okay, that is why we're installing SQL Server in a domain production environment. Okay, but right now we are still dealing with domain controller because this is where we're going to set up every users. So when you get to work in the morning, when you sit down at your desk and you log in, this is what is making your login work, because every user, every computer is going to be connected to this domain controller. So you click next, type in your password, user must change password at next login. You can just uncheck that. User cannot change password. You can check this. Password never expires. You can check this. Whatever you want, whatever that suits you. Then you click next, and we're good. We have one user right here. Let's create one more user. Right click, new user. Like I told you in the previous video, you can manage computers, groups, organization, printers, folders, anything, virtually anything. So we're going to create another user. We're going to say Paul, and my last name Obalonye, and then Paul. Next, type in my password. User must change this. You tick, you untick, tick this, whatever suits you. Next, and then let's see. Okay, it says Windows cannot set password because the password does not meet the policy requirement. All right, so let's go back and fix that. Let me see. Hopefully this works. Okay. Let me change my password and see. Hopefully it works this time. Okay, let me check that out. All right, so I just changed my password. Let's see if this works. All right, boom, so it worked. All right, so now we have two users. Okay, in the next video, we are going to create another virtual machine set up IP addresses, install SQL Server. We still have a lot to do. So don't get tired. Sit back and relax. If you want to take some coffee, it's the right time now.